Are you recording this? No! I'm sad. I'm sad. We're back.
We're back.
With Joey's Cooking Time.
And we have already installed the special ingredient, which you guys
Cinnamon.
sadly missed. That's really good.
Interesting.
Now we're gonna. Why'd you stick your finger in it? I got the phone right here. All right. So we don't wash this off. What are we doing?
We have to get spoons important there.
Do we get spoons or do we just gently? I think I'm just gonna gently pour the yogurt.
Dude, it's an overflow. It's an overflow, dude. It's not gonna go down a little tiny hole.
Yeah, it is. I believe so. I have believed wrong. We are going to wait a little bit. Get some spoons. Get this spoon right here. These are big spoons. This is a big spoon. I got it. Your video taking me. Gotta get you little bastards down here.
Why do you have to? You don't have to.
But then I'm just gonna go forget about them. I'm just gonna go and forget about it. All right.
This is from head view of Joey.
So we're taking it and we're gently placing the delicious muffin batter. Should be about like that. It looks like it might puff up a little bit. Yeah, this is gonna be great. Okay, now we're switching off of head view. Right back to the body cam. Alright, here we go. We're gonna put this one in. Oh gosh, this little basket's falling. Oh, did not get the second one. Guess we skipped the second one. On to the third one.
Then we'll do the second one.
And
later.
here is some old brownie mix. It's kind of disgusting.
Outside, nice view of outsideness. Barbecue.
And as you can tell right now, we are intoxicated.
You're not.
It's like I'm just kidding. We're just hyper. Oh, went right on to this one. We got to add a little bit more into number one. Get hear what I'm Is that a leaf? No.
I do come on to speed this up. We're gonna skip this so we can get done with the video.
Hi guys, we're back. As you can see, we've made our muffins so far, and I'm gonna take my safe and nice having
Oven mitt.
Put
it in the oven. I'll open up the oven for you.
Gonna open up the oven. So it's always nice to have a friend. Add this right on in there like that.
And then close the oven. How long do you put in there for now? It says for 18 to 20 minutes.
11, so 18 to 20 minutes. All right. So this is what we do. We come over here. Get the timer. Where are you? Oh, okay.
Timer.
So let's put it in. For 18 minutes. Or let's put it. Woo! 19 minutes. Let's see.
Plus.
Oh, it's not 46. Who did this?
Press it once. Press.
Then we'll go 19. Doesn't go higher than that.
There we go. 19. God damn it, Joey. Hold it next time. Hold it. Hold set. But, okay. Next time, leave it. We'll leave it and it'll be good.
There we go.
And if not, it is. What time is it? Or just in case it is not.
12:08.
All right then.
It is 12:08. Get some YouTube action.
Wait. Pause. Wait, stop it. Stop it. Stop it. Stop it. No, wait. Stop.
As you can see, we are still at 400 degrees, and we're gonna flip on the oven light, and we're gonna see the muffins. Yeah, those look really great, Bobby. Those are going to be magnificent, right there. Those, as you can see, they're already puffing up, and Bobby's excited. A really nice muffin first, Bobby.
Yes, yes.
Can you get a peek? And the timer's just about to go off.
See how much time is left?
Less than a minute, approximately. Less than a minute, because we checked about 5 minutes ago. And, boy, they're looking great. Here, let's give you a sneak peek of those bad boys. Ooh. Oh, they smell so good, too. As you can see, we use Crusties if you just
start tuning in.
Yeah, if you're just tuning in. Fat-free, so there's no butter added. All you need is 1 cup of water. Preheat the oven to 400 degrees. Preheat oven to 400 degrees. It says right about at the top right there. Yeah. And you spray it with Pam non-stick paper.
There we go.
Make all that stuff. We put in our special ingrediente. It's a spice.
Nice one. Nice.
All
right. Well then, I think we should take it out.
Timer was just about to go off, so we're not taking it out too early.
Oh, there it goes.
There goes the timer. And look at those. Should we put them in for 2 more minutes?
Let's get a toothpick so we can check them. Do you have a toothpick, Joey?
I do not believe I have toothpicks.
Well, let's try a fork.
And what would you do?
So you can see if they're done. Like, see if the inside is done.
And the inside is done.
Yep, we are done. Oh, well, we should seriously turn this off. I don't know how to. We're good.
One back. The fork. Get the first one out. Oh, well, great.
Now have you seen us eat muffins? Let's try one out, Joey.
Get one for you.
Give me just one.
Why do you want such a small one?
Just so it's easier to get out. They're really hot, so.
This is actually Joy Colombo and Bobby Producer's first time making muffins. So we were glad for you to come. I hope you learned from this lesson. I hope you really are really excited to bake some muffins for spring, as you can see.
You sound like a fruit when you're doing this.
Thank you for coming. Shut up, Bobby. Thank you for coming. Tune in next time, or I'll punch you in your face. Not so fruity no more. Beep. Peace out.